Hey, hi everybody. Happy Wednesday, 4:30. I'm in the kitchen. I just finished making an awesome recipe, which I'm super duper excited about. So, other than the dogs being here, hold on, ready? The dogs are circling because it's almost dinner time. So they're crying, they're circling, but I wanted to make something and share it with you. Hey, Allison. Hey, Angela. I don't know if you guys follow Half Baked Harvest, but she has some really awesome recipes. And like I was scrolling through the feed the other day. Hey, Matthew. I was scrolling through the feed the other day. And I saw this awesome recipe that had like all of my favorite things in it, like butter, like Dijon, orzo, chicken, and I was like, I actually absolutely have to try this. So I just made it, and I'm pretty excited about it. Hi, Eileen. What are you guys doing for dinner tonight? I actually did pour myself a little bit of a glass of wine. Yeah, I need this today on a chilly. Oh, how chilly though is it really, Linda? West Coast. How chilly is it really? Wanda, we have no plans on bringing eggplant back into the immediate future. But stick with us because we do unretire and retire colors from time to time. So I will keep you posted. Purple, as for an example, happens to be my favorite color. So stay tuned and we'll keep you guys posted. I'll always let you guys know. Ooh, Sue's checking in from Jackson, New Jersey, and Kentucky's here. Ooh, you just made taco spaghetti. What's taco spaghetti? Oh, Annette, please tell me. I love anything taco and anything spaghetti. So the fact that this is, if I'm thinking what I'm thinking it is it just like ground meat in with the taco and then you put like lettuce and I need to know. I need all the deets. Glenn is saying hi from New Mexico. I know I love eggplant too. I'll definitely stick with you. Thank you, Wanda. I know what you meant. Please. I'm the queen of the typo. So trust me. And the more I like talking to the phone, have you guys tried that voice to text? No, forget it. Nightmare. Yeah, taco spaghetti. I want to know too, Wanda. I'm dying to know. Ooh, beef stew. Ooh, and the crock pot love. So did you like throw that on early and now like you're ready to go? My Ching is saying, I love that you checked in during David's live and I was able to chat with you from there. This is so fun to be able to connect on all sorts of levels. Jennifer says we're making meatloaf and mashed potatoes. One of my faves. My mom always made a killer meatloaf. And I feel like for some reason she used ketchup somehow on the top of it, or we had some type of red sauce that I remember dipping in. I have to ask her. She's a little under the weather, so we'll send a big shout out to her. She went to the doctor today. She wasn't feeling well, so she's got a little upper respiratory situation going on. But she's got meds and she's good, and I'm going to bring her some soup and probably some of the meal that I made because I think she would love it. Why I'm holding these measuring spoons, I have no idea. You should come out with an Instapot. Love the Instapot. I'm not going to lie. I do. It's a great. Bacon, cabbage, and noodles. It's Ash Wednesday. Yep, so no meat today in our house. Understood. I get that. Thomas is checking in. Sally's here making 15 bean soup. 15 bean soup with ham and Italian sausage. Yum. I would love to have your onion soup recipe. Oh, we can work on that, my Ching, for sure. Definitely. It's delicious. I always put ketchup on top of my meatloaf. Okay, so I'm not crazy, right? I had to think back for a second, did this happen? P.S. and by the way, I have this cute sweater on, but it was this kind of day today. Where you're wearing sweats, but the rest of you had meetings all day. So yeah, that's what I did. I muted it. Perfect. Patiently waiting for dinner. All right. So take a peek at the recipe that I made from that half-baked harvest. I am so excited about it. So it's like a lemon Dijon butter chicken with risotto. And it has shallots and it has garlic and it has like a low sodium chicken broth. And so you brown the chicken ahead of time in the pan, with a little of the shallots and the garlic, a little olive oil. Then you put that to the side. Then you get going the risotto, add the chicken stock, bring it to a boil. And then after it's boiling, you slide the chicken back with the lemon slices and you, fold in the kale. And then you tuck it in the oven for, look who's here. Honey, you're live.
Oh, of course I'm live.
Sorry, I don't know why it's blurry.
Is there any other way for me to
You're blurry. Why are you blurry?
It's been the story of my life.
Did the flash come on? That's so weird. Sorry. Anyway, look at my handsome husband. But you're blurry. I don't understand why.
This is wrong. I need props, man.
All right, well, back to the chicken. And then you put the chicken back in, and then you bake it at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, and everything cooks through. So I'm super excited about it. This is what we're going to have for dinner, and then I'm going to take some over to my mommy because I think that'll make her feel better. But I was just, Denise says hi, honey.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Denise. He said thanks for the shout out. He loves it. So yeah, there's some remnants of like when I cook. Yeah, it's just like I try to clean as I go, but that never really works. Do you guys like clean as you go? What happens? Oh, I bet you it's because I put it on extra bright, honey. Sorry. Do you guys clean as you go? Looks delicious. I'm very excited. My Ching says hello, Mr. Tesher. He just walked the doggies, which is very nice. It's been drizzling here on and off, so it was nice for him to be able to do that. So, and then, by the by, you make I did it in my food processor, but you make a feta, Greek yogurt, paprika, garlic kind of dip. And, not dip, wrong word. And you put like a little dollop.
Yes, please.
Right? He's usually the guinea pig for this. Try it. Really? Did you even get any on there?
Delicious.
By the way, anything feta, and he's in forever, right? True story.
I will not deny that.
Yes, my grandma I was growing up, she cleaned as she went. Ed'll tell you that he usually cleans up because I cook, but look, honey, I cleaned.
Wow. Whoa.
I know.
It's the end of an era.
Kind of.
The end of an era. And everybody got to witness it live.
You know the best part about the brand that I created? I always tell the story about my mom that she used every dish in the house when she would cook, and I had to clean it all. Jackson, honey, settle down.
Anybody want to see a whiny dog?
Anybody want an Aussie doodle? We got one right here. So now I have adopted that, and it is very kind that Ed actually likes to clean up the kitchen. So he will clean up the kitchen. Come here, bud.
True story.
Yeah, but I actually cleaned while he was walking the dog. So he was actually up at QVC today for a lot of meetings. So he actually just got home. We live in Delaware. So he actually just got home a little while ago, which was a little bit of a reverse because usually I'm up there. But I am not in the kitchen with David tonight. So that gave me an opportunity to try a fun dinner. I love to cook, you guys. Like, I truly, truly love to find a recipe that resonates with me and then cook it. So, and this one was super duper easy. So we'll post it so that you can see it. But as I said, it's Half Baked Harvest, and it is unbelievable. Kale and risotto, chicken thighs, or you can use breasts.
Sounds terrible.
Right? And Ed got to taste it along the way. And then you fold in a little kale, you top it with a little dill. Like, I can't wait. Lemon slices, like I'm all in. Yeah, exactly. What's for dinner? So, Lise, I know that's you. So does my Ching. Hello, Lisa Lasort. So, Lisa, we got a couple of things. Taco spaghetti, which I don't know what it is, but I'm all in. Like, absolutely. And there was some cabbage and noodles I saw. There was meatloaf. We had that whole conversation of mashed potatoes. What else did we talk about? There was some everyone's making some good stuff tonight. So, and then obviously, yes, I love Half Baked Harvest. Yes, Lisa and I were just talking about that. So phenomenal. So today is the first day of Ash Wednesday. So a lot of people are not doing meat. But we are going to be doing chicken and risotto tonight. And then I'm going to drop a little off for Gail, who's a little under the weather. Hey, Gil! My gosh. Honey, get in here and say hi to Gil. The Gil. What are you heating up? Oh. The boys are going to have a little pot roast tonight. The boys meaning the dogs. Gil is on.
Hey, Gil. Well, hello,
right?
Gil.
I know.
How are you?
I know.
Hope all is well.
Yeah, exactly. Look, cold and icy here. No, thank you. No. Oh, by the way, Linda Weaver, who lives in San Diego and loves always the stories about how you flat left me when the Navy SEALs were going to, confiscate my camera.
Very exaggerated story.
Confiscate my camera and never be seen for me again. Linda was saying it's chilly in San Diego,
Okay.
but really, how chilly
Yes,
does it get?
I understand there's a cold front in Southern California. Made me laugh. I actually spoke to some friends today in Southern California. When it's down to like 60, does that you have a snow day tomorrow? It's like, come on, it's a cold front in Southern California. What does that mean? Come on out here and we'll show you a cold front.
Did you see this? A spaghetti grilled cheese.
Oh,
That actually sounds unbelievable, actually. Like, I just went, here's where I went. Garlic Texas toast. You know how you buy it in the freezer section. Heat that up. Melted cheese, spaghetti, cut it, maybe butter it. Oh, no, it's already buttered. Maybe butter it again. Sorry. And that would be a delicious grilled cheese. That would be my version. Just, what do they say, spitballing? Just spitballing off the top of my
is
head.
there really such a thing as a bad grilled cheese sandwich?
No.
You know, it's like, I heard somebody with mashed potatoes before.
But it's the wind, Ed. Linda.
Oh.
Right.
You know what this is?
Oh, no, it goes like this. It's a mini violin.
Mini violin.
I will say, though, we were pretty spoiled. It's 46 degrees here now, but it was... Hi, Tuxie. Hold on, they love to see Tuxie. It was about 58 degrees today.
Oh, yeah. It's a real warm front.
Tuxie, you want to say hi? Say hi to everybody. Tuxie, the man, the myth, the legend. This is our 6-pound Fury, our 6-pound teacup poodle. Right, Tuxie? Everybody loves to see him. And we have, yes, please, wine. Well, I like to have a glass of wine every once in a while I'm drinking. Hi, Tux. While I'm drinking. Did you hear that? I mean, I like to have a glass of wine every once in a while when I'm
You know
cooking.
what we really should do is come back in an hour
No.
and have it
Only one glass.
Oh, okay.
Only one glass, and I just started, so that's just me.
Can I have some of that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's just me being tired.
We share.
I'll share with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody loves Tux. You stole the show, and I know Lisa's. If Lisa sees you, oh look, Tux wants some. No, no, he's gonna have pot roast. Poor thing.
Right.
Right. Sometimes our dogs eat better than us, so that is for sure.
Sometimes.
How funny! I got home here and I just got my 12-piece cobalt blue floral lace dinner. Oh, awesome! Jim, you're a genius because that was some crazy sale. $39.95 for 12 pieces of dinnerware. Amazing. I love you guys are so fun. All the emojis, the red wine, the high tux. You guys make my day. All right. So anyway, we'll post this recipe. I honestly just wanted to check in. Do we have anything?
When it's in my belly. We'll post it when it's in my belly.
Yeah, I can't.
There's a movie line in there somewhere.
No, that is a movie line. Do you guys know what movie we're talking
It's
about?
in my belly.
Do you know what movie we're talking
I think
about?
it's in Austin Powers. No?
It is not, but it is that actor, Mike Myers. Mm-hmm. Head, pants, now.
Head.
What is it? It's got its own stratosphere.
It's
They'll
got
know.
its own stratosphere.
They'll know. They'll know.
Okay, we need some help. Mike Myers. Mm-hmm. Sputnik.
Sputnik. Yeah. Head, pants, now.
Yes.
I can't think of it either. What's the movie, you guys? You guys know. They know.
Spend enough time.
Cheryl said she just rescued 2 puppies. Cheryl, you're the best.
Wow.
Thank you. They are very, very lucky to have you, and vice versa. I know we always joke that, that we rescue them, but they rescue us way more. So, Jim, you guys are too cute. I know it's Austin Powers, but Beth, what's the movie?
Goldfinger.
No. Now you're mixing movies. No. And he's like, he's dating like a woman who he thinks is like a murderer or a serial killer. What is this movie? Anyway.
Behave.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Now you're just...
Still Austin Powers. Hey, listen, there's everything and then there's Austin Powers. You could actually work your way through life with Austin Power lines.
Guys, guess what we just finished watching last night? 1883. So I don't know if you guys watch Yellowstone and then watch 1923. And then, by the way, this franchise, this Taylor, what's his name, Sheridan?
Yeah.
Is a genius, okay? Like, he's a genius. Gosh, these guys are like starving, honey. What have you not fed them all day? We got a whole parade here. But I will tell you that 1883 is Donna said she lost her dachshund. Did I say that right? Dachshund. She was 16. Wow. That's amazing.
Our heart and our love to you.
Totally. But this whole Yellowstone, like, series is awesome. And so you start to learn like 1883, then these are the characters that then become the people in 1923, and then they become the people that are in the news. Yellow, like I'm in. I'm in. Like we literally sat for 3 hours last night. True confession, from 7 to 10, didn't we? And watched the last 3 episodes of 1883.
Could have been a little later than that.
It might have been a smidge later than that.
It's really
So good. So good.
love
Yes, you love the historical part of it.
Yeah.
All right. Anywho, I jumped on to share with you what I made for dinner. What I made us for dinner.
Excuse me.
Oh. He's just going to drink my wine. And we just wanted to jump on and say a quick hello. Adore you guys. Thanks for checking in with all of us. And yeah, we'll post that recipe. Tag her because it's amazing. Her recipes, you know, I love that half-baked harvest.
Mm-hmm.
Dream. And Ed will let you know after it's in his belly.
And whoever's making the mashed potatoes, I still haven't gotten that out of my head.
I know. Meatloaf and mashed potatoes.
Oh, come on.
I know.
Is there such a thing as
delicious
anything that's made with meatloaf and mashed potatoes?
It's always good.
Yeah.
It's always so good. Ooh, watch the Songbird. What is that?
I don't know.
Ooh, the Songbird. Okay.
All right.
I definitely want to watch that.
Keep 'em coming.
Yeah, we're always into series. We're also watching that Mayor of Kingstown.
Yeah. It's a little hard.
It's tough. I got to look away a lot. It's pretty violent, but it's interesting. It's on the list. What else are we watching? What else are we watching?
Oh, Shrinking.
Shrinking is fantastic.
So funny.
Apple
Warm,
TV.
Funny.
Oh my gosh. Apple TV. 444. Hi, Grandma. Apple TV. I would say it's like Ted Lasso meets Afterlife. Did you guys ever see Afterlife with Ricky Gervais? And then, obviously, Ted Lasso. By the way, genius. Jenny's ice cream, if you've never had it. Unbelievable. Brambleberry is my fave. They're coming out on March 2nd with a Biscuits with the Boss. And it's can you get your dog, please?
That's not my dog.
Oh, it's your dog.
No.
And it's their new flavor, and it's in honor of, excuse me. It's in honor of Ted Lasso.
Our life circles around
Which
dogs.
I think is so genius, I can't even stand it. So very excited, A, for Ted Lasso to come back. I heard season 3, March 15th or 17th. B, Jenny's ice cream is genius and making a flavor. And C, where I started, Shrinking. See how I go right back to where it's
such a warm.
So it's great.
Funny.
And it's Cutie Magoo. What's his name?
It's Harrison
Ford. Harrison Ford. I love him. Gosh, he's still so handsome. So it's Harrison Ford, and then I forget that other character's name, but it's really good. So it's like Ted Lasso meets Afterlife, and you guys got to watch it. I promise. It's amazing. So I married an axe murderer, Matthew Angelo. I love you so much. I can't explain it right now. I'm like, this is going to kill me all night if I can't remember this. So I married an axe murderer.
Sputnik.
Head, pants, now. And then the get in my belly.
Get in my belly.
Okay. Whew. I can actually sleep tonight. Tux and I can actually sleep tonight.
Yeah. Good luck. That's if he allows some room.
He sleeps literally on our neck, so it's one or the other. All right, you guys, I adore you. Vera's saying hi. I saw you just hop on. It's so good to see you guys. Thank you. Enjoy your evening. Thanks for all the laughs. Thanks for all the fun.
Let's have a wine party next time.
Exactly. Yeah. Love Jeremy Renner, mayor of Kingston. He's amazing. Incredible actor. Yeah. Incredible. All right. We're signing Modern Love. Yes, Lisa is telling us about this show, Modern Love. I think it's on season 2. And she said it's fantastic. So I think that's going to be like our next binge thing we watch.
All right.
Stay tuned. So I Married an Axe Murderer. Potentially one of the best movies that has not gotten its due. It's really not true. But
it's not true, but
it's a great movie. All right. Love you guys. We'll see you soon, okay?
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Have a good night.
I was going to say you too.
You too.
You too. Bye.